Welcome to Tobago. My name is Carrie Job from the beautiful village of Lekoto, meaning the hills. Today, I intend to make for you some chocolate tea because you can't come to Tobago without drinking some chocolate tea. So welcome to Tobago. Come, come, let we go to Tobago. I have my chocolate here, as you can see. This is my grated chocolate. This is a whole one. Inside of this, you have bay leaf, you have spice, you have some nice ingredients. So when you put it to boil, all of this comes up, the flavors comes up in your water. So when you do make your tea, I tell you, it's delicious. So this is my grated cocoa. You will get the cocoa seeds, and of course you could eat it. You could suck it, it's a fruit, you could suck it. But the seeds are what you dry and you patch and you come up with cocoa ball. This is the star of all these ingredients. And this is the grated nutmeg here. All these are spices that you have to put in your water when you are boiling your chocolate tea. This is the cinnamon stick and spice. And you have to add these to your boiling water. And of course, we have your evaporated milk and your condensed milk. All these that makes a beautiful, delicious chocolate tea. Now, I had my boiled water with a pinch of salt, and I add my grated cocoa to the boiled water. Now, it has to boil. So I would leave it for about, let's say, 5 minutes, because we are not making a whole lot. So I'm gonna leave it for like 5 minutes and let my cocoa cook. So I'm gonna take a little bit of my nutmeg and of course a little bit of my spice, and I'm gonna put them inside the chocolate tea so that they can boil also. And I let it boil. So I'm going to add my milk to my tea. The aroma is just fascinating. So this is my condensed milk. When you use condensed milk, you don't need sugar because this is sweet in itself. And then you add your evaporated milk. So this is my evaporated milk. I add my evaporated milk to the mixture and I stir. You see that consistency? Lovely. That's how you make a good Tobago chocolate tea. Delicious. Thank you for allowing me to take you to Tobago. Look out for another feature, and remember, Tobago awaits your return.
Hi, good day. This is Tropicus. My name is Anthony. I'm here to guide you through a drink called Sunkiss Tropicus. This is our specialty, our personal specialty at this hotel. So let's get this on the road. First, we'll start off with a rum. This is a rum punch, by the way, which is known throughout the Caribbean. But this is our, like I said, this is our specialty. We have a little twist to it. So I'm gonna start off with the Carrera's puncheon. Carrera's Gold Rum. Also, Carrera's White Rum, regular, right? Well, this is a very strong drink, so I'm gonna be putting a bunch of liqueurs behind it as well. This is triple sec. Creme de banana. Peach snaps, which is known as well. I'm gonna add a bit of grenadine, just to give it an extra sweet taste. some orange juice. I'll be putting like about 3 ounces. Right. And to top it off, pineapple. Right, so let's do this. You're gonna shake it in. Right, let's put some ice in the glass now. All right, so this is the drink right here. Garnish with pineapple and cherry. Okay. Yeah. And the cherries. So now, this is your sun-kissed tropicals.